such a beautiful morning this morning. The air just smells so fresh. We went for a little drive this morning and decided to make coffee at one of our favourite spots. Just a nice slow morning in the van. Yeah, we don't really have many plans for the day. We kind of just wait and see what the wind's gonna do. Whether we can get a surf in, or we've always got a bit of work to do. Maybe do some baking. Yeah, should just be a nice beautiful day. Brekkie with a view this morning. We are just filling up our water tanks. We've just finished our work for stay clean, so we cleaned the toilets for an hour at a caravan park here, and that's how we've been able to have accommodation here for so long. Which yeah, we feel really lucky to have, even though cleaning the toilets isn't the most fun. We're probably just gonna head to a beach and park up for a little bit to get some work done. We do a bit of photography work, so there's a lot of like editing and emails and stuff behind the scenes. Ooh, big stretch. Yeah, so we've got to do a little bit of that, and then we're thinking about taking the boat out for an hour or so, just something to do. We haven't been out on the boat in ages, so that will be fun. What do you think? You want to go on the boat? Finny loves the boat. This past week has actually been so rough. Reece and I have been really unwell and like really haven't been doing anything other than sit in the van. Finn has been amazing, super patient, but it feels so good to be feeling good again. Getting sick is always like, I like to see it as a very nice reminder to be so grateful for your health and feeling good and having energy to do the things you love. So yeah, keen to just get out and about more now, hey? What are you doing? Mwah. I made these little lemon tarts earlier and they taste exactly like cheesecake. It's incredible. They're raw, vegan, mainly just made out of cashews and coconut cream and lemons. And they are phenomenal. They're so delicious. I'll leave the recipe in the bio if you'd like to try them yourself. Super easy to make, just like blended it all up and then put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. So good. But yeah. We've just done a little bit of work and now we're probably going to take the boat out for an hour or so, just a fun little afternoon session. Hopefully it's not too windy. But yeah, should be fun, like have a little picnic on the boat. Yeah. A little bit windy still. We had to get some shots done tonight, and Finny's been amazing, but he's so tired, poor little dog.
He's wrecked.
He's wrecked. He wasn't a big fan of the fire either.
No, we found his first like proper fear.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Yeah. He just wanted to sit to the side. Oh, bless his little heart. We are gonna have a little movie night, cuddle up in bed with Finny. We're actually watching Stranger Things at the moment. We're up to the last 2 episodes, so very excited. Got my popcorn. Are you excited, Reece?
No.
Yes. This looks cozy.